Sex has the best ability to keep your love life empowering, yet this potentially happens when you understand what definitely works for you or your woman. Various men out there are baffled by the idea of sex they get from their women fundamentally because they have not put aside a push to see each other. The sweet thing with working out with a paid youngster, and what has made various men acknowledge these are more learned about sex as fundamental since they know totally grasp their bodies. Investing energy with such females can in like manner help you with learning several secrets of warming your life with your accessory. The major target each time you participate in sexual relations is coming to a peak. A portion of the time we are a ton in a surge and thusly end up just having a helpful arrangement, and we think of it as day by day. This has a remarkable negative impact on us since a long time back run, since it chokes out us deep down. Many feel like they are expressly starved, yet they are in it reliably. There are assorted sex positions, and it is huge for the two individuals to fathom which one capacities commendably for them. Out of restlessness, it is possible, regardless, tangled gymnastic spots that breeze up astounding us. It is clever also to visit such youngsters as a group and get 2 or 3 activities from her of the particularly beneficial sex puts that will totally work for both of you. Coming up next is an overview of a couple of sex puts that many accept are direct anyway go far into satisfying your accessory in bed. 1. Minister position. This is the most broadly perceived of all. For sure, even little youths offering a chance on sex use the up and over the position. Though various people have no regard for it, this can be spiced up and can wind up being the most nostalgic experience that should not be taken lightly. This should be conceivable by putting a cushion under the youngster's butt to lift the hips. This raises the legs towards the shoulders, which urges the man to push better and more significant. Nothing would be more enrapturing than this. 2. Table for 2. This infers changing it up and picking a particular scene for the movement. This in itself is adequate to help you with showing up at your peak. For the above move, one requirement: a kitchen table whose stature is up to the youngster's midriff. The youngster rests with her back and the man drives into her while staying between her legs.